Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another very interesting video to add the numbers which are in a pattern. Now what do we mean by pattern? I'll tell you everything in the concept of the trick. I should tell you that this series of videos which I have been posting on mental addition and subtraction is a part of the chapter 1 of our book of short tricks, that is short tricks in quantitative aptitude, and you can watch all those videos which I have posted already along with this video, and I'm sure this will form a very good base for higher calculations. So the chapter is entitled Add and Subtract 10x Faster, and this video will have a very useful trick to add the numbers in a pattern. Now what do you mean by numbers in a pattern? Here is the concept used in the trick. Numbers in the pattern means, now suppose you have a 6 and you want to add repeating sixes like 6, 6, then 1 6, 2 sixes, and then 3 sixes, and maybe you may have 4 sixes, 5 sixes, and we want to add all of them. Now what do we do here is the base is really important. You know what is the base of this question? They are all multiples of 6. So if I take the 6 as a common factor, this will leave me with 1 plus 11 plus 1, 1, 1. And adding the ones in a pattern, in this pattern, is very easy because you don't have to do it by writing it one below the other. How many ones are there greatest? So 1 1 here, 2 ones here, and 3 ones here. So the sum of these 3 is going to be 1, 2, 3. Now had there been 4 ones also, the answer would have been 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is a 6 outside. So all I need to do is to multiply 123 by 6. 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, 3 1 carry, and then 7, which gives me the sum of 666 and 666. 738 is the answer. So this is the what do you call, the crux of the trick and the concept used in the trick. Now the same thing goes well with decimals also. Now suppose you have a number like say 3.7, a whole number here and a decimal number here, and now we are repeating it, like 3 becomes 33 and after decimal 7 becomes 77. And likewise, you may have another one, 3 becomes 333, and then we have 777. And now I want to find the sum of these 3. Do we have to write them one below the other now? Not at all. Why? Because this is actually a combination of two different series like this. So before decimal we have 333 and 333, and after decimal you have 777 and 777. So I'll tell you what happens to the decimal. Let us first ignore the decimal and separate it into two parts. So this you already know is 3 times, how many maximum 3's are there? 3 3's. So I have to write the counting up to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now what happens to the number after decimal is very important. We have 7 here, but now we don't have to multiply by 1, 2, 3. It is the other way around. We have to multiply by 3, 2, 1, and now that is the concept of the trick. So if you do this, you will get 9, 6 and 3. If you do this, you get 7, so 14, and a 1 carry means 22. Now what do you do with this part? Double 2, 4, 7. How many maximum digits are there after decimal? 3 digits, right? So take 3 digits from the right hand side and then put a decimal. Now this is the number I want, 2.247, and the whole number part will get added to the sum of the numbers before the decimal. So this 369 plus 2 becomes 371, and you have 247 at the end of the number, that is after decimal. And here you go, this is the particularly correct answer for this question. Now see, this is the concept used, and if you now know the concept, we can solve some problems. This is really going to be exciting now, and see how quickly we get to the answer. Here we have the 4's repeating, and 4 times is the maximum number of times. So 4 times what? we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And your answer will be 16, 6, 1 carry, 13, 3, 1 carry, then a 9 and then a 4. And 4, 9, 3, 6 is the sum of these numbers. Likewise, if you have 9s, 9 times, how many maximum 9s are there? 4. So we have to write counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and then start multiplying. 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 9 3s are 27, 30, 0, 3 carry, 9 2s are 18 plus 3 21, 1 2 carry, and then 9 plus 2 11. And here you have the answer for the sum of these numbers. Sounds very easy, right? Let's take up some of the numbers which are in decimals. Here you have two parts. So before decimal you have the 5s repeating. So 5 times, how many 5s are repeating? 3 5s, right? So 1 2 3. And on the other side you have to do 6 times. Now what do you do? After decimal you have 3 6s repeating. So start with 3. 3 2 1. And now first multiply this. 3 5s are 15, 5 1 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 1 1 carry, and then we have the 6. And here you have the 6, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, and then the 19. Now you need to just check the maximum number of decimal places. It is 3, right? So put a decimal 3 digits from the right hand side. You get this number. Add this whole number to this part. You get 6, 1, 5 plus 1, which gives you 616 as the whole number part, and 926 becomes the number after decimal. And that's how you crack this question of addition. Very, very useful trick for all the competitive exams as well. This is going to be, very, very important for saving time in the MCQs. Let's see this one. Similar to this one, we have the same question here, 9, 99 and 999. So we have two parts, 9 multiplied by 1, 2, 3 because 3 9s are repeating, and then 2 multiplied by how many 2s are repeating? 3, so 3, 2, 1. Now multiply 9 3s are 27, 2 carried, so this is 18 plus 2 20, 0 2 carried, and then 11. So 1107, and here you have the 2, the 4 and the 6. Maximum 3 digits. So put a decimal 0.642 and you don't have to do anything because this is 0. So 1107.642 is the answer for the question. You want me to complicate it further? Let's take this question now. We have 4 digits repeating. So we'll have two parts of the question. The first part is 8 times. How many 8s are maximum 8s? 4 8s, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then similarly 5 times, which is after decimal. 5 5s, this is 4 5s repeating. So we will start with the 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's multiply. 8 4s are 32, 2 3 carry. 8 3s are 24, 27, 7 2 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18, 8 1 carry. And then 8 1s are 8 plus 1 9. In this case it is 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 0 1 carry, then 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 6 1 carry, and 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. Now you need to put the decimal. So 4 digits means 1 2 3 4 and the decimal. So the whole number part 2 gets added here and this becomes 9874, and after decimal you have the same number 1605. Now you can pick up the calculators and check whether this big addition problem gets you 9874.1605 or not. So friends, pattern numbers, when you add them, you always have some tricks. And once you are aware about those tricks, the problem is not going to be complicated anymore. So friends, if you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Now this is really important. I keep on telling to my subscribers, you can subscribe the channel, but if you don't hit the bell icon, then you will not get the notifications on your mobile. So if you want everything on your mobile, you need to click the bell shaped icon. And there's another option. If you really like the content of the video, click the like button. And as soon as you click it, you have the option of hyping the video. So when you hype the video, it has greater chances of coming in the feed of other students who require these tricks. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video of addition of pattern numbers. Do practice a lot and let me know in the comments below whether you liked it or not. All the best.